So today I'm going to be telling you guys about an AI tool which can create you blog posts, Facebook ads, product descriptions, and not only that, it can also be used as an AI art generator as well, like through which you can create amazingly looking AI images too. So yeah, I'm talking about Jasper AI, which is a tool that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to create amazing writing and also generate images based on a text description you input, okay? So in this video, I'm going to talk about all the features of Jasper AI, which is blog writing, product description, creating Facebook ads, and AI image generation. And in image generation, we're going to talk about text to image generation and image to image generation too. So yeah, without further ado, let's just explore this amazing AI tool, okay? Alright, so for accessing Jasper AI for only $1, in which you can create so many things like blog posts, news articles, Facebook or Google ads, and also the AI images for those purposes as well, like whatever you want. So there are so many things you can do only for $1. And for accessing that, you need to go ahead and jump into this website, jasper.ai. So this will be the homepage of Jasper AI. And after that, you need to go ahead and click on this start free trial, okay? All right, and after that, you need to go ahead and sign in with your Google account or with your email or anything you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sign it with Google now. All right, and after, it's gonna go ahead and ask you some question like, what is your role? What industry are you in? So you just need to go ahead and fill in according to yourself. Alright, and after that, straight away, he's gonna go ahead and ask you to choose a plan, okay? So you just need to go ahead and select monthly from here, and here you go. So it's first saying you can go ahead and get access to the pro version for $69 per month, and we also have a 7-day free trial option as well. So you just need to go ahead and click on start free trial, and now it's gonna only credit $1 from your account, like the card information you're gonna put in, and after that it's gonna start give you the 7-day free trial for just $1, and in which you can get access to all the features of Jasper AI. So how cool is that? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my card information now. All right, and here we go. Here it is, our dashboard of Jasper AI. So straight away it's saying, what do you want to create? So you need to specify a writing task. So from here, you can go ahead and create online marketing strategy session. You can go ahead and create email newsletters, listicles, Pinterest pin description, like a lot of things you can do with Jasper AI. And over here, we have a few more options. So you can go ahead and click on your content, campaigns, art. So we have art section over here. From here, you can either go ahead and select templates, or you can select on free form to create, anything you want. You can also go ahead and upload images over here as well. And you can go ahead and select mood, medium, style, keywords, and language. So there are so many things you can go ahead and create, and like there are so many options with that. You can go ahead and create your art with Jasper, and it's really, really good. Trust me, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you in a minute, okay? All right, so first of all, let's just go ahead and jump to our dashboard and click on create content. All right, so straight away it's giving us a few things. So you can create a blog post, you can create a social media post from 11 templates, you can create an image, you can write a product description. So first of all, let's just go ahead and see how you can use Jasper AI to create blog posts for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on create a blog post. Okay, so after that, you need to go ahead and click on this blog post. Okay, so now it's asking what is the topic of your post. Like you can go ahead and select suggestion from Jasper AI itself, like which is really amazing. So you can go ahead and quickly pick like the importance of mindful eating for a healthier lifestyle. Okay, all right, this one looks interesting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Right after that, it's asking you who is your targeted audience. So let's just say my targeted audience are health enthusiasts, nutrition seekers, and mindful living advocates. All right, so options are really, really good by Jasper AI. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on next. So it's saying, what is the outline of your post? So I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate outline. So here is the complete outline that Jasper AI created for me, like the importance of mindful eating, the introduction, the mind-body connection, psychological benefits, impact on overall lifestyle. So it's a really good outline for the blog, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and click on next. So it's asking me to add more information. So let's just say I want to add SEO keywords, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Click on next. All right, so expert course, okay? I want to add some experts course as well. All right, so we have 2 to 3 experts course now as well. All right, so I think right off the bat, I think all the details are provided in my blog post are looking absolutely perfect. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and click on generate now. Okay, so take a look at this. It's creating the blog post for me from all the information that I put over here. Like, wow, this is literally amazing. And check out the fonts, check out everything, check out the structure. It's really, really to the point, right? So let's just go ahead and let it complete, and we're going to see how our blog post is going to turn out after that. All right, so here we go. So we can go ahead and click on continue writing, and it's going to generate, even more. All right, so here we go. Now our blog post is done. So first of all, we have the importance of mindful eating for a healthier lifestyle, understanding mindful eating, the mind-body connection, weight management, blood sugar control, reduced risk of chronic diseases, the psychological benefits, and each and everything. Like, there are so much details in this blog post, which looks absolutely perfect. And over here, you can go ahead and change font from here as well. Like, I can select heading 3, heading 1, heading 4. I can change that to like the bold style, the italics, like underline. It's really up to me. Like, there's so many options. And over here, you can go ahead and add images of your choice as well, which is absolutely perfect, right? So I can go ahead and let's just say add this image. So it's uploading my image, and you can go ahead and do that. And you know what's the best part is? Not only that, you can go ahead and upload images that you can create with Jasper AI just according to your blog. And just like that, for your blog post, you can go ahead and go to Jasper Art, and you can say create images for my blog post on topic the importance of mindful eating for a healthier lifestyle. And you can create images for your blog post where you can upload that images into your blog post, and just make your blog more and more like appealing. Okay, so this was the blog post creation with Jasper AI, okay? All right, so now let's just go ahead and see how you can create a social media post. You can choose that from 11 templates from Jasper AI. So let's just say I want to create a Facebook post, okay? All right, so Facebook post is asking me the topic. So let's just say our topic is new product launch exclusive review coming soon, okay? So we are talking about a new product launch. So our key message is gonna be, get ready for something extraordinary. Our new product launch is on the horizon. We're excited to share the exclusive review with our amazing community. Okay, I'm going to click on next so we can add more information. Let's just say I want to add teaser content. All right, so this looks good. I'm going to click on next. We can add call to action to that as well. All right, so let's just go ahead and generate this now and see how our Facebook post is going to look like. So take a look at this. What's that on the horizon? Imagine a future where innovation meets elegance. We're about to unveil our new product, a sublime slice of the future designed to fit seamlessly into your life. So this looks really good. The emojis and each and everything is looking absolutely perfect. So yeah, we can either go ahead and like write something else, and it will generate that for us really quickly. And yeah, for your Facebook ads, you can go ahead and create images with Jasper Art, such as I said, create images for my Facebook ad, discover unbeatable deals at our new store opening sale. And for that, it provided us these images, so you can go ahead and just paste it in your Facebook ads to make it, more and more attractive, okay? All right, so now let's just go ahead and see how you can create a product description from Jasper AI. So I'm going to go ahead and go to product description, and it's saying what is the name of your product. So let's just say the name of our product is Delhi Coffee Beans. Okay, so let's say this is the name of my product. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. So it's saying what's the key features of your product. So I'm going to generate response. So it's generating response according to my coffee beans, the single origin coffee beans sourced from the highlands of Ethiopia, hand-picked and sun-dried to preserve natural flavors and aromas. So this looks good. I'm going to click on next, and we can add more information. Target audience. So target audience are coffee enthusiasts, health-conscious individuals, eco-friendly shoppers. Okay, we can add more information like unique selling points. Okay, this is good. Like, take a look. Like, it is providing you each and everything that you can put in your product description. Like, wow, that's literally crazy. Like, now you don't have to go ahead and research all that, because Jasper AI is going to help you in that. Okay, so unique selling points are gonna be this. Okay, looks good. And emotional appeal. Okay, this is a really cool point. We can see how it's gonna generate the response for that. And okay, this looks good too. SEO keywords. Okay, let's just do SEO keywords at last, and we're gonna go ahead and generate it now. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on generate now. So take a look at this. So now we have a product description of our Delhi coffee bean. So we have the essence of Ethiopia in every sip, a personal palette of flavors, brewed to a healthier beat, eco-conscious from crop to cup. So wow, this is absolutely beautiful. like the perfect product description, and we can go ahead and create, images for this product description as well. All right, so following that, I'm just going to go ahead and go to create content, and I'm going to click on create an image. So now you can see we have first freeform and we have templates, okay? So the templates are, you can go ahead and create food photography, ink art, news graphic, product close-ups, realistic images, realistic persons, stock photography, storybook illustration, travel photography, wallpapers through Jasper AI, and the results are going to be insane, okay? I'm going to show you in a minute. So first of all, let's just say I want to create food photography, okay? And for that, let's just say I'm going to go ahead and type in my description, like capture the intricate textures of a freshly baked bread crust or the glistening surface of a chocolate ganache, okay? So now let's just go ahead and hit on create art and see the output. Wow, so take a look at these images, right? These are absolutely perfect. So we have the intricate texture of a freshly baked bread crust or glistening surface of a chocolate ganache, okay? So yeah, this looks absolutely perfect for the prompt that we input. Like, check out the result, check out the portrait, check out each and everything. This looks absolutely perfect. And we can go ahead and download it, share it on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, copy, like select it on Bookmark, like whatever you want, okay? All right, so for the next example, let's just say I type in my prompt, like capture the steam rising from a steak in a hot dish of a sizzle footing cooking or grill. It adds a sense of freshness and immediacy. Okay, let's just create this art and see the output now. Wow, check out the images. I'm literally amazed by the results. So this is steak in a hot dish, steam coming out of that. Check out this result. Then we have this result. Like, the images looks absolutely perfect, you guys, right? Okay, now let's just go ahead and see like what kind of ink art we can create out of Jasper AI. So let's just say for the prompt, I'm saying illustrate a mystical forest with towering trees, whimsical creatures, and hidden paths using intricate ink details. Okay, let's just create art and see how it's going to look like. Take a look at the results, each and everything. I'm literally amazed like how good Jasper AI is. Like, we have a mystical forest with towering trees, whimsical creatures, hidden paths, and the ink details in that look absolutely perfect. Like, wow. Okay, so for the next example, let's just say I want to create some kind of a cyberpunk city out of ink art. Okay, so I'm going to say design a futuristic cityscape with neon lights, towering skyscrapers in a cybernetic enhancement using bold ink strokes. Okay, let's just see the output for this now. Okay, this looks good. We have neon lights, futuristic cityscape, towering skyscrapers, cybernetic enhancements, and wow, this is absolutely perfect. Just do you want, guys, right? Okay, so the third one, let's just go ahead and see some news graphic creations now. So I'm going to go ahead and say compare historical temperature data with current trends in a visually engaging way. And you can go ahead and drag and drop image over here as well for your news graphic. So let's just go ahead and create this art and see the output of this now. All right, so this looks absolutely perfect. So our prompt was to create historical temperature data with current trends in a visually engaging way. And for that, I think this looks really, really good. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and create some infographics. So I'm going to say develop an infographic showcasing vaccination rates and their correlation with the decline in COVID-19 cases, okay? Let's just generate art for this now. Okay, wow, this infographic looks good, showcasing vaccination rates and their correlation with the decline COVID-19 cases, okay? All right, so for that, I think these animations and these infographics are really, really good, right? Okay, so now let's just go ahead and see some images for our realistic person template, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and type in a prompt like create an image that reflects the beauty of cultural diversity. And for that, it provided me these images like, wow, this is absolutely beautiful. So we have images like 4 different variations that reflects the beauty of cultural diversity, right? Okay, so now these were like our templates, some of our templates that we can go ahead and create that are already there in Jasper AI. So now let's just go ahead and jump to our free form. And this is basically the free form where you can create any art, like anything you like with our prompt in Jasper AI. And for that, we're going to also go ahead and see what is going to be the prompt formula for that too, okay? Okay, so the prompt formula for creating images in Jasper AI is first, you need to go ahead and describe your subject, then your style, then details, and then format of your output, okay? So by this formula, you can go ahead and create like cool and any image you like out of Jasper AI without any problem, okay? Okay, so for the first example, we're gonna go ahead and create some human portraits out of Jasper AI. So first of all, it's saying describe what you want to create, and for our human portrait, I'm gonna go ahead and type in my prompt following our prompt formula, which was subject, style, detail, and format. Okay, so I'm gonna say capture a young woman with Renaissance painting elegance featuring soft natural lighting and subtle expressions in a high resolution digital format. Okay, and for the mood, we can go ahead and select that as well. For the mood, I'm just gonna go ahead and say calm, so it's gonna be a calm mood. Medium is gonna be photography because I want a portrait. And the style is, let's just go ahead and say surrealism, okay? And the resolution, like keywords are gonna be 8K resolution and language is gonna be English, okay? So now let's just go ahead and create art and see how the human portraits are gonna look like from Jasper AI. All right, so take a look at these images. So we have a young woman with Renaissance elegance, so we have painting elegance in that, featuring soft natural lighting and subtle expression in a high-resolution digital format. And the mood is calm. We have photography, 8K resolution. And for that, these images look absolutely perfect just the way we want it, okay? So now let's go ahead and do one more example. So now I'm going to say, craft a dignified elderly man in the style of classical oil portraiture, featuring rich details and warm tones in a traditional canvas format, okay? And for the mood, I'm going to be saying happy, and medium is going to be, let's just say, photography again. And the style, let's just go ahead and do style as surrealism again and create art, because we are talking about human portraits, okay? So the style should be this, and the medium should be photography for the human portraits, all right? Okay, so these are our images. So we went ahead and created dignified elderly man in the style of classical oil portraiture, okay? And for that, these images look good, just the way we want it, and the mood is happy, so the man is happy in that, and everything is to the point just the way we want it, okay? Alright, so now let's just go ahead and for the second example, create realistic images out of Jasper AI, okay? And for the first example, I'm gonna go ahead and say, illustrate an old city street at dusk in a photorealistic style, emphasizing cobblestone roads, warm street lights, and reflections as a high-resolution digital illustration, okay? And we do have another cool feature. You can go ahead and enhance your prompt as well. So let's just say if I go ahead and click on Enhance Prompt, so enhancing our prompt, and it provided us the upgraded version of this prompt, which is really, really amazing, okay? So we're going to go ahead and keep that now. And for the mood is going to be none. Obviously, we're not talking about any humans over here. And medium is going to be photography. Style is going to be, let's just go ahead and do abstract. And the keywords are going to be 8K resolution, because we're talking about the 8K resolution over here, as you guys can see. And now let's just go ahead and create art and see how the realistic images are going to look in Jasper AI, okay? Wow, so take a look at these images. So we have old city street at dusk in a photorealistic style, and for that these images looks really, really good, just the way we want it, just the way we provided our prompt, right? Okay, so let's do one more example for a realistic image, and for that I'm gonna go ahead and type in my prompt like, paint a coastal sunset with hyper-realistic precision, focusing on the interplay of warm and cold tones and intricate details in a large-scale oil painting on canvas. Let's just enhance this prompt first and use that. Okay, this looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and select mode as none again, and everything as it is. Just go ahead and do it as none as well for the style, and create art and see the output, okay? Wow, and this looks absolutely perfect for our coastal sunset with hyper-realistic precision, focusing on the interplay of warm and cool tones, right? So for that, these images are absolutely perfect for our realistic images, okay? Alright, so now let's just go ahead and create some landscapes out of Jasper AI and see how good that looks. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and for my first example, say, compose an abstracted desert landscape at noon, emphasizing the play of light and shadow with a minimalistic color palette on a textured watercolor paper, okay? Let's just enhance this prompt first of all. Okay, this looks good, and I'm gonna go ahead and create art and see the output, like how good it's gonna look now. Alright, so this is the output of an abstracted desert landscape at noon, emphasizing the play of light and shadow with a minimalistic color palette on textured watercolor paper, right? And for that, these images look absolutely perfect, just the way we want it, right? All right, so for the next example, let's just go ahead and create some surreal underwater world with Jasper AI for our landscape. And I'm going to go ahead and say, create a surreal underwater world in a dreamy, soft, focused style, blending vibrant hues and ethereal texture in a large scaling. For that, let's go ahead and select medium as oil paint. Oil paint in that style is abstract. Let's just go ahead and do that. Keywords is going to be high resolution, okay, or high. Let's just go ahead and do high detail. All right, let's just go ahead and create art and see how it's going to look now for our surreal underwater world. All right, so beautiful. Take a look at these images, right? These are absolutely perfect. So we have a dreamy underwater world, soft focus style, blending vibrant hues. These are absolutely perfect. So we have a dreamy underwater world, soft focus style, blending vibrant hues, and each and everything looks absolutely perfect for the prompt that we input, okay? All right, so now let's just go ahead and create some animes out of this Jasper AI and see how good those looks, okay? So for the first example of our animes, I'm going to go ahead and say, design a whimsical fantasy anime setting with magical creatures, enhanced forests, and its real lighting presented in a stylized, watercolor-inspired digital format. Okay, let's just enhance this prompt. And for the mood, I'm going to go ahead and say exciting or fun mood. Medium is going to be, let's just go ahead and select medium as none. Style is going to be anime because we want to create anime. And the keywords are going to be high resolution. And let's just create art and see how good it looks, okay? Wow, take a look at this. This looks absolutely perfect, like just the way we want it. So we have whimsical fantasy anime setting with magical creatures, enhanced forests, and ethereal lighting presented in a stylized watercolor-inspired digital format, okay? So for that, this looks good. So now let's go ahead and create anime characters to see how good it's gonna look, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and say like, craft a magical girl anime character in a whimsical enchanted forest, highlighting the character's transformation sequence with sparkling effects, mystical element, manga style digital. Okay, so go ahead and do that with the same style, mood, and everything, and create art and see the output, like how good it's gonna look now. Alright, so take a look at these magical girl anime character, and yeah, the outputs are really, really good, right? Okay, so the last, let's just go ahead and test out some abstract arts out of Jasper AI. And for the first example, I'm going to go ahead and say explore the chaos of emotions through abstract expressionism using a monochromatic palette and spontaneous brushstrokes on large canvas scale, okay? And for the mood, I'm going to go ahead and say gloomy. The medium is going to be none. Style is going to abstract. Keywords are going to be masterpiece. Let's just go ahead and do that and create art output, okay? Okay, wow. So take a look at these abstracts. Wow, these are absolutely beautiful. Just the way we want it through our prompt, okay? So now for the next example, let's just go ahead and say, create a digital collage representing the interconnectedness of nature and technology, blending organic and geometric shapes in a vibrant mixed media composition, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and do the settings the same, create art, and see the output, okay? All right, so take a look at these abstracts. Now, these are absolutely perfect, like just the way we want it for a photorealistic digital painting that depicts the harmony between nature and technology, right? So yeah, this is how you can go ahead and create different style of images like abstract, animes, landscapes, realistic images, human portraits out of Jasper AI, like without any problem, okay? All right, so now let's talk about image-to-image creation in Jasper AI. So for that, I just went ahead and uploaded this as my image, and for the description you don't need to be like very much describing, you just need to provide the main description, like how you want that to turn out. So I just said turn it into anime style, and for the style I went ahead and select anime, and for that it provided me these results. Like wow, these are absolutely perfect, like just the way we want it, okay? So this is the anime style, 4 different variations of my image that I provided over here. So now let's just go ahead and upload some new image like this one where I am wearing a suit, and I go ahead and say turn it into a cartoon character, okay? Now let's just go ahead and see how it's gonna change this image to that. I'm gonna go ahead, select the style as digital, and let's just go ahead and create art, okay? So take a look at these images. So we have 4 different cartoon characters now. They are looking in 4 different ways, and we have now a digital cartoonish version of this image that I provided. So this is how you can go ahead and play with image to image generation in Jasper AI. So this is really, really amazing, okay? So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of a new AI tool, Jasper AI, in which you can go ahead and create lots of writing like blog posts, social media ads, listings. And not only that, you can also go ahead and create AI art as well, which I told you guys in this video. So yeah, I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.